Hey, Saif here. Are you also writing JavaScript directly inside Webflow editor? You are doing it wrong and wasting a lot of time writing it, publishing it, and redoing the same step every time. Let me show you a faster way using VS Code plus Live Server in basically 5 minutes. Step 1, download VS Code. So search for VS Code download, and here you should be able to see first link as VS Code Studio. So open it and download your preferred VS one. So once downloaded, install it and open it. Once you open VS Code, you should be able to see similar to my particular version. I have a different color extension, so this may look a bit different. But once you have opened it, create a folder and open that particular folder in VS Code. So once that is done, click on the extension icon here and search for Live Server. So click on the first one and install it. I have already installed. So once that is installed, I would also recommend you to install Prettier, this one, as whenever you save, it will automatically format your code and code doesn't look bad. So once that is done, create a new file in this particular folder. So for example, right now I'm working on a home page, so I will create home slash and file name will be handler.js. So enter, and this should create a folder and a file inside it. So once that is done, add some log maybe. So first thing, this is what I do whenever I create a new file, and this is something referred by AI. So I will save it, and once you install the extension, here at the bottom you should see a thing called Go Live. Click on it, and it should open a new page on the browser. And now you should be able to see all the folders what you had created. So for example, I have created home, and this is the file handler.js, and I can see the code. So I will just copy the URL, go to the Webflow, and click on the page where you want to add setting. And here in the body, I will add a script tag. So script and close it. And I prefer to add differ. So this doesn't load earlier, and once everything is loaded, this file will load. So that and src, and I will paste the URL what I had copied. So once that is done, save, and now publish. I'll open the staging one and open the console. So right click, inspect, and now if I go to console, and now if I refresh again, I can see the console is loading here, handler from home route loaded. Let's say maybe I want this particular h1 title to change the text every 5 seconds to a different one. I will write the code directly in VS Code and just save it, and whenever I refresh, I will see the latest changes. Here I have added some basic code, which is basically an array of titles what I want to change, and basically this will loop, and every 5 seconds it will update the text. So once I save and go back to the staging site, and now if I refresh, now let's see, I don't see any errors here. Now I can see the title is getting updated. Now let's say I wanted to update every 10 seconds. I don't have to now go back to Webflow, republish anything. Now I just have to update it here, save, and now if I refresh, now it will take 10 seconds and it should load. And if there are like any errors, now I can directly see here and make changes. So last step, once all the code is written and you think this is good, you can just copy it and go back to Webflow. Here, open the page setting, and here just remove the src part, and inside the script tag, add the working code here. Once that is done, save. Now if I go back to the live site and refresh, I don't see any errors, and in 10 seconds it should automatically update the title every 10 seconds. That's my 5-minute setup for writing custom code for Webflow the right way, easier, faster, and easy to debug. Comment on if you also want me to create custom code setup for complex projects. Make sure to like and subscribe for more Webflow and JavaScript tips.